everybody, it's John again from Gaspers Automotive Restoration. Just wanted to update you on one of our latest projects coming in the shop here. Right behind me is a 1951 A model Mack fire engine from Martha's Vineyard. It's Edgartown Martha's Vineyard actually. And about 7-8 years ago I did a cosmetic restoration on this truck. It's back again for some repairs and some modifications. We didn't do any of the mechanicals, so they wanted us to upgrade the water tank in the back, the firefighting water tank, from 500 gallons to a stainless steel 150-gallon tank. A little bit more manageable and a lot cleaner water coming out of it when they're using it for demonstrations and public relations. They also wanted a power steering upgrade, which we're going to show you in a little bit. We had some interior repairs, and in the back there's a little surprise we made for the customer in the back of the truck. We're going to show you that in a little bit as well. So stick with us here. We're going to show you this truck, and if you like this, subscribe and keep that old iron running. All right, so here's our 51 Mack, and I just want to show you guys what we did to this truck. Let's look under the hood here. We'll start in the front. This is the business end of the truck here. This is a Magnadyne inline 6 flathead Mack motor. It's gasoline powered, 2 spark plugs per cylinder. And right here is the power steering upgrade we did. We've got a Saginaw power steering pump here, very similar to what you find in a Chevy or a Dodge of back in the 70s, the 80s. And we've got a modified pulley we made here to come off the fan. And we've got our hydraulic lines going down below. And we added an actuator valve on the front end, on the drag link. And we added a power piston onto the tie rod going across. So it's power assist steering, and it works really good. So that was the major modification that the customer wanted. I'm going to check out the interior here real quick. Got the new headliner we had put in. The old headliner had fallen down for some reason, so the upholsterer came in and took care of that. It looks really nice and matched well. And I just want to point out these leather seats. These were here before, but this is real cowhide here. It's just really cool. The smell from that is just awesome when you get into the cab. There's nothing like real leather seats. So I wanted to show you guys what modifications we made in the back here. This is a little surprise for the customer. Originally, this truck had a water tank that went from the front of the bed all the way to right here underneath this wood. And this piece here was solid from the top to bottom. So we removed that tank. We put in a 150-gallon stainless steel tank in the front, and we didn't have anything else to cover up the space. So we ended up turning this into a pickup truck. It's pretty cool. Check this out. Let's release these. This door comes down nice. And voila. This is all set up to sell t-shirts in Edgartown in the summertime. So if you're somebody that goes out on the island and patronizes the fire department, come check out this fire engine when it's down there. And you've got the water tank you can see in the front. Here's our inner fenders we made to cover up the wheels. And we put in a steel floor here. And it's all sealed, so it's going to keep out road grime, dirt, and they can put their bins of t-shirts inside here and have a cool place to sell t-shirts from. It closes up just that easy. Off you go. All right, everybody, so this is what we do at Gaspers Automotive Restoration. If you like what you've seen, please like and subscribe, and remember, keep that old iron running.